Welcome to another round of exciting updates. In this video, we'll cover the all-new AI forms, content extraction for automation, bulk knowledge management, and a sneak preview of the improvements to AI teams. Let's dive right in, starting with AI forms. AI forms allow you to create customizable and shareable workflows using automation. In short, you can build forms to collect data and use automation to process that data with AI. When the form is processed, the output of that data will appear on the same page. In this example, a resume was uploaded and analyzed by our resume agent, providing 3 outputs with a single click. While there are many ways to customize forms, we'll cover all the essential options you'll need. Let's build one together step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Automation tab in your workspace, then click Add Automation and start from scratch. From here, click Add Trigger and select the new form trigger from the menu. This is the panel we'll use to build the form itself, where we have control over the title, description, button label for processing the form, and the type of data we want to collect. Let's give this form a description, change the label to Analyze, and then add a text field for the name and a file upload field for the resume. With the form trigger set up, let's take a quick look at what the form looks like. Click Save Changes in the top right corner. This will reveal a new Use tab, which we can use to test and preview our form. As expected, our form has the 2 fields we added, along with the description and custom button label. Now we just need to extract the form data and pass it to an action to start processing it. Navigate back to Manage, then click Add Step and select Convert File to Text. What we're trying to do here is pass the uploaded file to this media action, so we can extract the resume information for the AI to ingest. For the file URL, click on the plus icon and select the resume field we created earlier. Now that our resume contents are available, let's add an Ask Agent action and request it to score the resume and provide suggestions. You can use your own custom agents or our pre-built resume creator. The important part is to pass the contents to your request. Just as we pass the file URL to our media action, we do the same here by typing @ or clicking the plus button and selecting Content, which allows the agent to read and analyze the resume. The last step is to configure the form output, which determines what you'd like to display after the form is processed. Below the form trigger, click on Configure Form Output. In the form output, click Add Output and name it Suggestions for Improvement, or any other title you prefer. Then pass the results from our Ask Agent action. With all the data in place, we can now run a quick test to see the results. Save your changes and navigate to the Use tab. Type in a name and either select or drag and drop the resume into the Upload field and click Analyze. Once the form has finished processing, we have a fully functional form that we can continue to improve by adding additional outputs or collecting more data to process. Forms can be utilized both internally by your team and externally with others. To share a form externally, click Publish in the top right corner to generate a shareable link. Alternatively, you can embed the form on your website or within other apps. During the demonstration, we introduced the new media action for extracting content from files. In addition to files, it can extract information from web pages and YouTube videos for transcriptions, enabling a wide range of applications. We hope you enjoy this initial release of AI forms and look forward to receiving your feedback. For the next update, we've made several improvements in agent knowledge management. From adding multiple sources with a click to OneDrive integration and source previews, we've made significant enhancements. To explore these features, edit your agent and navigate to the Knowledge tab. If you're adding existing files, you can now select multiple files to add to your knowledge. This feature has also been added to projects which, unlike other sources, are dynamic and train in real time. If you're adding knowledge from a third-party source like Google Drive, we've now integrated OneDrive as well. You can connect to your account, select, and upload your file without leaving the app. As an added convenience, you can now preview your source directly from the Knowledge tab. Just click on any knowledge source to preview. Along with these new changes to upload and manage multiple files, OneDrive integration, and easier file previews, we've also added an option to create a source file from scratch. To give this a try, use the new Add Markdown text option. This will open a window where you can paste your content in Markdown or plain text, give it a name, and add it to your agent's knowledge. As we continue to enhance our agents and their capabilities, let us know what features you'd like to see next. Before we conclude this product update, we'd like to show a quick preview of the improvements to our AI teams. In the current version, when you send a message, the team automatically decides who should reply, and each message is limited to one response. In the upcoming release, you'll be able to choose who should reply. You can select multiple agents to respond to your message or have everyone reply in a sequence that builds on previous replies. To learn more or request early access, follow us on X for updates. That concludes this product update. We introduced the all-new AI forms for building repeatable workflows you can share, enhancements to agent knowledge, and OneDrive integration across the entire app. We hope you find these features useful and look forward to our next product update. As always, thank you for watching.